Yeah, you know what it is. Swag swag on them big outs for 2013. Is that alright?
Think this is a fucking game? They must really think this is a fucking game. Dumb motherfuckers. You think I do this shit for no reason? Nigga, fuck dope money. Nigga, I get universal money. I get drug money, work money, and I get government money, nigga. Talking about I'm getting 100% from each one of my records. I put out there. I did the shit. I did the beat. I produced everything. I get 100% back from everything I do.
Yeah. Decided to go on a new approach on this one. Peep me. God gives you free will, a man provides the chance to concentrate. Find the love in the heart of hate, bestow new reasons to incarcerate. From these streets where I'm known from slinging and I fornicate. Do you see alumni change the city to a tourist state? Families come a victim, landlords want a victim. Do we find change in the already corrupt system? Always war, you'll never find peace. As a broke target surrounded by the richest counties. Try to clown me, but my brother, you are not Muslim. Israel, don't take my side, cause look how far we pushed them. From the words of Lupe, I don't give a fuck what you say. You better learn today. This ain't another song that you would hear play each day. My general topic is logic. Constantly I'll have to say, this is not for y'all. The cops and cars, each block's a bar for thoughtless rise. That money, me again, jewels or bras. The song is called The Alumni Shot. Merc value in the word fight. Do a curse to serve life. Her ass is on earth like her blessing had me cursed like bitch. You made my blunt burn bright. Plus I turned twice, pulling donuts in the turnpike. Rang like 3 shots, scream pop when you block for real. Can't arrest Wall Street, though they got nothing but time to kill. I'm so chill, niggas know. Back when I started figure 4, keep the fire on the skull like Bam Bam Bigelow. Keep it low, bet the biddies know my name. Spitting that Novocaine, that's liable for soul exchange. Surviving in the hopeless plains, G.I. Joe to the Cobra Clan. This to all my niggas have that flows overdose of veins. Always trying to make things right, may seem wrong. Maybe the type shit I'm on push me to make another song. Next real low, new reefer, just cop me some new sneakers while cramming 3 bitches inside of a 2-seater. And I'm on it, this Lisa, you knew her, me neither. Geeking with my crew like, hold up, who feeds her? This is not a song that you will hear play each day. My general topic is logic, and constantly you'll hear me say, this is not for y'all. The cops and cars, the blocks and bars for thought dust rise, not money, jewels, or bras. This song is called The Alumni Shot. The Alumni Shot.